I am Shubham Gupta. I am a research scholar in the area of marketing. I have been enrolled in this FPM program from the past 2 years, and it has been a truly transformative experience. This program has given me the opportunity to delve deep into my research interests and to work with experts in the field. This coursework has been extremely challenging but also extremely rewarding. It has helped me to develop new skills and knowledge to apply in the professional career. The support and the guidance of the faculty and the staff has been unparalleled, and I feel confident that I received such a top-notch education. And overall, I'm really grateful to be part of this opportunity, and I extremely recommend to any of the person who is considering doctoral course.